Welcome to plan design, another ground floor and first floor plan. So this floor plan is very luxury and very unique. So we will see this ground floor only, one guest room, inside swimming pool, white kitchen, maid room, store room, family room, our small fountain area, this family room, small family room, and this stair, wonderful stair, hall, big hall, and our machine room, this toilet, this side. So we will see one by one. So this is our entrance. This 5 meter we are getting wide entrance, and this is our door. This we are getting wide hall. This is our window design. Wonderful elevation design. Okay, so this wonderful 920 plus 670. This much big in this side. 570 plus 770 at this side. Big hall, and this swimming pool area. Here for shower, for changing room, toilet, for this gym service, and this is our open area. So this is our kitchen, 720 by 4 meter. This is our iron room, and this wide arch. This side our maid room. This is store room. This family room, and here guest bedroom with attached bathroom, 570 by 475, and this wonderful glass, arch glass, and this is stair for roof floor access. So this back side we are given window everywhere, and this terrace coming first floor. So this stair going first floor. We will see first floor plan. This for one family only. So this first floor plan, you can see this 2 bedroom only, 1 bedroom here and 1 bedroom here, and rest of the thing full luxury service area, full this sitting room, dress room. We are reaching here, we are going down, we are reaching here. So this is wide open. So you can see this our another bedroom, and this 520 by 665. This wide open, full wide open. This is our dress area, and this is our bathroom, and this is our bedroom, another bedroom, 395 by 580. This is our bathroom, attached bathroom, and this is our full wide open, 570, 420, 475. This balcony, this side balcony, small terrace, and this is our arch design. This column coming, continuous roof floor for wonderful design. This is our balcony, this window, this full dress area, and this main suite, this bathroom area, and this is our shower tray. Everything arranged very much proper way. This is our window. So this full this sitting room, and this is our open arch. You can exit this way, and this is our dress area, 4 meter by 550. This is our bathroom, and this bedroom, arch bedroom, arch entrance. This column design for wonderful interior design. This 4 meter by 550. This 480 by 9 meter. This sitting area, you can give your table, sofa. So this is our wonderful floor plan. 1, 2, 3. 3 bedroom for luxury family, for luxury bedroom, villa design, wonderful. Here we have given small pantry also. So you can see here wonderful ground floor plan, and first floor plan. First floor plan, 3 bedroom, and ground floor plan, only 1 guest bedroom. The swimming pool, hall, everything in this plan. It's 1810 by 2640. If you will increase this dimension up to here, so it will come 23 meter, and it will cover more wider boundary. You can give more than wider fencing boundary for landscape. So this wonderful house design. I hope you got this video helpful. Please like, share and subscribe. We will see in next video another plan. Okay, thank you.